So check it out. Tonight I've got my WM Crooks locomotives. All three tenders have had custom decals made for them because the old decals had faded so badly, and the tenders had cracks and breaks in them. So I repaired those. The tender on the inside, I was able to put a sound of power unit in it, so it has the sound of steam, and it also has a whistling baggage car. I took a Lionel mechanism and sandwiched it in there. The two outside ones, one of them I made the Tales of Wells Fargo. The other one I made a Virginia Truckee, just kind of make something a little different. And I also named it after one of their locomotives. I think it's INYO, how it's pronounced. And that one's been commandeered by 6 Johnny Rebs. And then you have 3 Union soldiers on the Tales of Wells Fargo, so they'll be dueling it out. Sadly, my inside locomotive, the smoke unit, doesn't work. I've been debating whether to fix that or not, but I might just leave it because I don't want to really ruin the rivets in it, and I want to leave it original. So we'll get them fired up and you can check them out. All right, I guess that would be the Great Locomotive Chase Marx style. All three run really good. I'm so happy to have them. They're hard to find sometimes, especially because the parts here in the front tend to get destroyed or get ruined. So it's hard to find them in good shape, but I've got three of them that are in pretty decent shape. I had to customize them a little bit to make them look a little better, and I also painted the coal loads on several of them. I'm happy I did that. I used a little dark brown, then mixed in a little light tan with it just to highlight it, then just covered it with a little bit of black to bring out the wood grain. So thanks again for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.